Hey guys, this is going to be a technical analysis video because I haven't made one in a while, but I know the market hasn't been doing too good lately. Really, there's not a lot of altcoins that have been outperforming at all. So we're going to first look at Ethereum because I think it is a little bit better technically than Bitcoin. So real quick, let's go over the 4-hour chart here. Now, I drew a lot of lines here. The biggest ones here are these trend lines, okay? On the 4-hour here, you can see the trend line here, this red, and then a trend line support on this green. So you can see we've been in this downward channel for a while now. And biggest thing I'm looking at is this resistance line up here. So the resistance line, we couldn't break above that 2250 level, and we have started to break down now. Now you can see right now that I have this support that it should intersect at about 20 or about 2000. So that 2000 level we're going to be looking to hold if we want to continue in this trend. Now looking at our indicators here, we can see that the VP extractor is an indicator I really like to use. It's by Crypto Scripts. If y'all ever heard of them, go and look at them. You can try this indicator out. But VP extractor basically give us a rocket, which is a buy signal, as well as the RSI was below 30, and the MFI Pro is giving a buy signal as well. So all of that, along with coming to this green support trend line, caused us to again bounce a little bit from that 2160 level all the way up to 2250. So about a 3 to 4% move there. But as you can see, Ethereum could not break above this resistance level that has been strong since about May 21st. And right now you can see it got rejected and is just continued in this trend line. So what I'm looking for right now is I do see some bullish divergence on the RSI, the MFI Pro, and the VP extractor. Everything is curving to the upside here while price is still going to the downside. So definitely something I'm looking for. That's what caused this actual jump here from 2068 all the way up to 2250. But again, hopefully these can continue because it is some nice bullish divergence, and I'm hoping that we can break above this 2250 level to then retest this 2450 level. So this is going to be this 24 to 2450 level is going to be a big resistance as well. As you can see, it has been strong resistance since June 7th. And then from there, looking for it to do up to 2900. Now, if we break down below this green support trend line, then I'm looking for us to retest this 1850 level, which you can see it's where we bounced off of on May 23rd. So again, hopefully ETH can break that. But again, looking for it. Once we break out of this channel, then I'll be very bullish on ETH going forward. Now, Bitcoin doesn't look as good. So you can see expanding the chart here, there's a lot of different trend lines I have drawn. Main ones you want to focus on is this big red run here that actually stemmed from June 15th. So June 15th, you can see it bounced, resisted once, twice, 3 times, and 4 times now recently. And you can see here that we did have this support line and actually is breaking below that, which is not good at all. Now, the only chance we have right now is this support trend line here, this green support trend line that it did bounce off of on June 20th. Hopefully it holds that, but you can see we will be constrained here. So by this resistance line at 35,200. So looking for us to bounce at about 34,200. So possibly layering in some orders around this level and then also the support level here at 32,800. So it could be some good layered in buy supports. And then, finally, if it does get down here, then looking at another layered support at about this 31,200 level as well, where it did bounce here and then it bounced all the way on May 23rd and even May 19th. So again, 3 levels I'm looking out for Bitcoin. If it does break all 3 of those, then again, not looking too good at all. You can see here, then you'll be looking more at that 28,800 level if so. But looking at our indicators here, we can see right now that again, the VP extractor isn't really playing nicely, giving us any signals for Bitcoin. It's kind of been all over the place, which tells you there's a lot of manipulation going on. And you can see the RSI right now, it is giving an exaggerated bullish divergence here. Price is decreasing while here it practically stayed the same on the RSI, which did cause this bounce here on June 20th from that 33.8 all the way up to 36,200. So a nice, 8% move there. So hopefully we can continue that. But again, the indicators are still kind of conflicting. A lot of buy signals here, but you can see Bitcoin just keeps declining. So hopefully we can regain some momentum here and break above this red trend line that I do have drawn here at approximately 35,800. If we can break above that, then looking at this longer term red trend line here, actually, this is probably the more major trend line that we're looking at. And because you can see here, it bounced actually, or was resistant since May 20th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, 9 times actually. So really strong. So really, if Bitcoin does break above this 36,200 level, let's call it, I will be extremely bullish on Bitcoin and looking for us to retest this 40,000 level. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Hope this helped y'all out. If y'all have any questions about these indicators I'm using, again, leave them in the comments below. Message me on Twitter. You can see I have it up there at the Crypto Data. Go and follow me on there. Subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, thanks for watching.